How to change background in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the background. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this box-like icon. Tap on this box-like icon and here select personalization. So here, this is the place where you can customize the background easily. So on the first section, there's background. On right hand side, there are different backgrounds that are available. So you can simply select on the one that you want to change into. So after tapping on them, you can even see the different changes that are available. Now at last, simply tap on confirm and you'll be able to change the background. So I have not purchased them and not enabled them because I don't have it, but you can easily have it by playing the game and purchasing through different shops. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.